Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to search your viral videos on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook in your Chrome browser. Now here you will see this search button. Just you have to search your viral videos and click on viral videos. As you can see that all the viral videos will be shown here and all the viral posts and the people with more followers will be shown on the upside. So just click on videos here and you will see all the viral videos on Facebook, and you can also say choose the same topic and tags to increase views on your videos too. That is how you can also actually find viral videos on Facebook. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.